Yes, dear brother student, here are some revision work, that is numerical question from chapter number first. Okay, these are again simple question, but question number 1, calculate the amount of carbon dioxide, okay, that could be produced when 1 mole of carbon is burned in air. Okay, here the quantity of air is not given. That means what? That means there is a free supply of O2. Okay, if the quantity will be given, then we will find, then we will write its quantity. But if the quantity is not given, that is, it is freely supplied. You know, in atmosphere the oxygen is in abundant. Getting? But the quantity of carbon is given fixed. What is it? 1 mole of carbon. So student, you always know that reaction proceed by the limiting reagent. That means what? The quantity of product formed depends on the quantity of limiting reagent or limiting reactant. So how to solve the question? So student, you know that how to form carbon dioxide? The carbon dioxide is formed by reacting C with O2 in CO2. So according to Barrett's chemical equation, 1 mole of carbon reacts with 1 mole of oxygen to form 1 mole of carbon dioxide. 1 mole of carbon means how many carbon? 12 gram carbon. You know, 1 mole is equal to molar mass of that substance. So the molar mass of carbon is 12 gram. Okay. 1 mole of O2 means 1 gram of O2 means 2 into 16. That is how many gram? 32 gram. And 1 mole of carbon dioxide means C, that is what? 12 plus 32 is equal to 44 gram. So here is the balanced chemical equation and its stoichiometry. So now what we use? We will use that when 1 mole carbon, okay, reacts with 1 mole O2, okay, or we can write 1 mole carbon, okay, with 1 mole what? O2 forms 1 mole what? CO2, okay, that is 12 gram C, okay, will form what? 44 gram CO2. Okay, why? It is because the oxygen is present in abundant. It is present in abundant. But in second question, now the oxygen is what? 16 gram. But the carbon is what? 1 mole. That means what? Now the quantity of oxygen, it should be 32, but it is present what? 16 gram. That means what? The quantity of oxygen is less. So again we will write C plus O2 is equal to CO2. So 12 plus 32 form 44. Now, but how many oxygen is given there? Oxygen is given there what? Only 16 gram. So we will start what? When 32 gram O2 forms, yes, how many gram? 44 gram CO2. 44 gram CO2. So 1 gram O2 will form 44 divided by 32 gram CO2. But in question how many gram given? 16 gram given. But 16 gram will form what? 44 multiplied by 16 divided by 32 is equal to, this 2 is equal to 22 gram CO2. So in this mean we can solve the question. Question number Third, 2 moles of carbon is burnt in 32 gram of oxygen. Now, the moles of carbon is changed. How many? 2 moles. Earlier, 1 mole formed 44 gram. But 2 mole will form how many? But here one more very important thing. Oxygen is now 32. So, again we have to write balanced chemical equation. C plus O2 forms CO2. Okay. So, 1 mole will form 1 mole. But here carbon is given how many mole? Carbon is given 2 mole. But oxygen is given how many mole? 32 means what? Again it is 1 mole. That means there is no mean of presence of carbon, because the limiting reagent is what? Oxygen. Why it is limiting reagent? 1 mole and 1 mole, but here 2 mole and 1 mole means its quantity is lesser as compared to carbon. That means the limiting reagent is what? Oxygen. So we can simply write here now, here limiting reagent is what? O2. Okay. So we will proceed with O2. What? 32 gram. Okay. Oxygen will form what? 44 gram CO2. This is according to balanced chemical equation. That's it. Okay. Now, how many atoms of carbon and hydrogen is in 1 mole of C2H6? Getting? So, how to solve it? Number of atoms, okay, in mole. So, what is the relationship between it? The relationship is number of atoms is equal to Avogadro number N0 multiplied by moles. Are you getting? Moles is given there. Okay. What is the mole? C2H6. But here the moles of ethane is given. We have to find moles of carbon. So now to find moles, we will write moles of carbon, okay, in 1 mole C2H6 is equal to, so what you can call 2 mole carbon, and similarly moles of hydrogen in 1 mole C2H6 is equal to how many? 6 atoms are there, so you can call 6 moles of hydrogen. Now what to do? Simply multiply it. Okay, so it is equal to Avogadro number 6.022 into 2, and here what? 6.022 into what? 6. You will get the answer. What? 12.044, and here you will get the answer 6 to ya. Whatever the answer, okay? You will solve it. Now, number 3 question. If the density of methanol, here the compound name is given methanol, is 0.793 kilogram per mole per liter. Students, remember here the density is given in kilogram, and this is what? Per liter. Okay. So unit is changed. What is its volume needed for making 2.5 liter of its 0.25 molar? M means what? Molar what? Solution. So now what is the formula? Formula of molarity is this is what? Density upon molar mass. Okay, density upon molar mass. We know that. What is the molar mass? It is generally found in gram per ml. What? Gram per ml. But student, remember here the unit is used kilogram. Therefore the molar mass should be converted to what? Kilogram. Now how to it? Say MB, molar mass of methanol, CH3OH, is equal to carbon is what? 12 plus 3 plus 16 plus 1, it is equal to 32 gram per mole. But what to do? That gram has to convert into kilogram. So it is equal to now 32 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.032. Okay, this is what? Kilogram. And now what? Per mole. Okay, now what you have to find? Molarity. So now molarity is equal to, simply place the value, what? Density upon what? mv. Okay, so what is the density? This is what? 0.793 divided by what? 0.032. When you will solve the question, you will get the answer 24.78. 24.78. So this come what? Molarity. Now after getting molarity, what you have to do now? What is it? Say, place the value m1 v1 is equal to m2 v2. m1 is given. What is the value of m1? We have to find from the question. m1 value is 24.78 multiplied by v1 is equal to, now molarity. Molarity is given. What is the molarity? Here 0.25. So place the value 0.25 multiplied by, what is the volume of the solution? Volume of the solution is 2.5 liter. So now place here 2.5 liter. So here you can get the answer what? What? V is equal to 0.25 multiplied by 2.5 divided by 24.78. Solve it, you will get the answer.